Welcome to the heart of Brisbane, where a monumental project is set to redefine the city's landscape and shape its future. In this video, witness the final stages of the construction for the Queen's Wharf project before it opens in 2024. Queen's Wharf will deliver a vibrant precinct spanning over 26 hectares, featuring a blend of entertainment, dining, accommodation, and leisure options. Queen's Wharf is poised to become a world-class destination, creating unforgettable experiences for locals and visitors alike. With breathtaking architecture and meticulous planning, the Queen's Wharf project will seamlessly integrate the old with the new. Historic buildings carefully restored and revitalized, preserving the city's rich heritage while embracing modern innovation. Prepare to be captivated by an incredible array of attractions, featuring luxurious hotels, residential towers, and a state-of-the-art casino. This precinct will be a haven for relaxation, entertainment, and indulgence. Queen's Wharf will feature an exquisite selection of world-class dining experiences, and culinary delights from around the globe will tantalize your taste buds. The stunning riverfront promenade, taking in views of the Brisbane River, will be a focal point of the project. Entertainment knows no bounds at Queen's Wharf. Lose yourself in the excitement of a dynamic theater, where international performances will take center stage. Experience the thrill of an opulent ballroom, hosting unforgettable events and celebrations. Indulge your shopping desires at the meticulously curated retail precinct, showcasing a mix of high-end brands and unique local boutiques. From fashion and accessories, there's something to entice every style and taste. The Queen's Wharf project is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a visionary undertaking that will transform Brisbane into a world-class destination. It's a celebration of history, culture, and progress, all intertwined harmoniously. The Neville Bonner Bridge, named in honor of the late Indigenous Senator Neville Bonner, AO, will be a focal icon for the development. The Neville Bonner Bridge will link both sides of the Brisbane River, forming a stronger connection between the popular South Bank Arts and Cultural Precinct and the Queen's Wharf Brisbane Precinct. Queen's Wharf will also offer an oasis of greenery in the heart of the city. Immerse yourself in beautifully landscaped parks, perfect for leisurely strolls or vibrant community gatherings. Engage in outdoor activities and connect with nature in this urban sanctuary. Stay tuned for more updates on this remarkable chapter in Brisbane's history.